WhatsApp has recently introduced a new feature which is regarding to the username. You can now reserve a username on WhatsApp, like you reserve your username on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter. So you can share these usernames with anyone so they can find you on those platforms. Here is the same thing with WhatsApp now. So you can share your WhatsApp username with a user so they can search you instead of sharing your phone number. So it is a good move to protect your privacy. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can reserve a username on WhatsApp. So if you log into WhatsApp, you might see an option here like usernames are coming soon, keep your phone number private with the username. So to reserve a username, you have to click on reserve yours, and it will open this page, and here you can connect your Facebook or Instagram as well, so it inherit your username from there. But in this tutorial we are gonna create a username from the scratch. So to create a username from the scratch, click on create username, and it will take you to this page. You can now type a username. So I will type BuildNEarn. I have write build and it shows me that username is not available because it is incomplete. So let me complete it, and it's still showing this username is not available. So let me delete these dashes from here. So I will delete this one and this one, and this username is now available. So to save it, I will click on the save, and this username is reserved for me now, so I can share this username with anyone in future instead of sharing my phone number. So this will improve my privacy as well. So if this video helps you to learn something new, make sure to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and if you're watching it on TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, make sure to follow the profile. Thank you very much.